How would you like to know an intelligence operative evasive driving tip called the trunk? Right now, I'm going to teach you how to trunk somebody. So we're going to go in here because we need to get to some of my Barbie vehicles. Yes, I said Barbie vehicles. There is a method to my madness, but this is a pro evasive driving tip that hopefully in a million years you are never ever going to need to know, but hey, at least you'll have it for your knowledge bank. So let's go in here. All right, like I said, we got my Barbie vehicles. And when I say my, I mean my kids' Barbie vehicles. I got 7 kids. And I'm trying to think whose these are. I don't know. They're always fighting over them. But I believe these are my 6-year-old daughter's vehicles. So how do you trunk somebody? Let's say you're an intelligence operative. You're overseas. Somebody is following you. Somebody's trying to kidnap you. Somebody's trying to kill you. And you're obviously trying to get away, right? So you're driving at a very high speed. So we've got you, Mr. Intelligence Operative. You get to be in the Barbie truck. We've got our criminals who are trying to kidnap you, who are shooting you with AKs or whatever, trying to kill you. And they are in this Barbie, I don't even know what kind of vehicle this is. They're in this Barbie car. So you are cruising down the road. You're trying to get out of there. You know that if they catch you, they are going to kill you. So how do you trunk someone? How do you make sure that you go home and that they don't, that you escape them? Very easy. You're driving, you're going at a very high rate of speed. As human beings, what happens when somebody hits their brakes? When you see the brake lights go on, you immediately stop. You have that built-in reaction, right? But when you trunk somebody, you are flying down the road at a high rate of speed. This person's trying to weave around you so they can shoot you, so they can kill you. And instead of touching your brakes, the proper way to trunk somebody is you grab that emergency brake, you yank up, and what happens? Well, obviously the car stops and boom, you just trunk somebody. They cannot see the brake lights come on because they're using the emergency brake, so they don't have that time to stop. So as soon as you pull up the emergency brake, you've trunked them, their airbags go off, their car is probably destroyed. Yes, you're obviously going to get a little hit, but it's better than being dead. And then you get to drive away. This guy has his car totaled, his radiator, his airbags, whatever, and you have escaped. The people are trying to kidnap you. So now you know how to trunk somebody, pulling that emergency brake up. That way they don't have the advance warning on the lights. And like I said at the beginning of this video, hopefully never in a million years do you actually have to trunk somebody in real life, but now you have this evasive driving tip. If you want me to see more stuff that I don't show on YouTube, including vlogs and also ad-free videos, make sure to go to my Patreon. There is some great information there that could save your life.